Whether you shock them, scare them, surprise them, interest them, amuse them, excite them, amaze them, or confuse them. Your story opening should always hook the reader and make them want to read on. In this series of tutorials, I'll show you different ways to begin your stories with impact. Today's focus will be beginning with a description of an object. There was a hand in the darkness, and it held a knife. The knife had a handle of polished black bone and a blade finer and sharper than any razor. If it sliced you, you might not even know you had been cut. Not immediately. The knife had done almost everything it was brought to that house to do, and both the blade and the handle were wet. The book she had been reading was under her pillow, pressing its cover against her ear, as if to lure her back into its printed pages. I'm sure it must be very comfortable, sleeping with a hard, rectangular thing like that under your head. Her father had teased the first time he found a book under her pillow. Go on, admit it, the book whispers its story to you at night. Sometimes, yes, Meggie had said, but it only works for children. Just like settings and characters, objects can help us hook the reader right from the start, especially if they're described in a way that is curious, mysterious, or just a bit odd. A powerful object can hint at the plot, set the tone, and raise questions before anything even happens. A dusty key, a locked diary, a ticking suitcase, a message in a bottle. Each one has a story waiting to be told. The umbrella was black and heavy, with an ornate silver handle shaped like a claw. Dad warned me never to open it indoors. I didn't listen. I found the watch inside a hollow brick in the garden wall. It still worked, but ticked backwards. As I held it in my palm, the glass fogged from within, the mist inside curling into shapes that transformed into words. The painting's eyes followed me across the room. Worse still, I could swear they'd blinked. The glove was silver, catching the light even in the dark. It seemed to pulse in my hand. I felt an urge to slip my fingers inside. The key was old, brass, bent, and cold to the touch. It had no label, but its teeth were worn and chewed. I didn't know what it unlocked, but I was going to find out. With each of these story starts, you want to read on, right? That's the power of describing an object in an intriguing way. It hooks you. So why not give it a try yourself in your next story? Thanks for watching. If you found this Gain Explains tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And for more videos that will help take your writing skills to the next level, don't forget to subscribe. There's hundreds of videos to choose from.